Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet flower granny square like this. I'm going to be using polyester yarn by Onitsuka and 2.5mm crochet hook by Tulip. Okay, let's start. First, we work slip knot and chain 4 and then slip stitch into the very first chain to form a ring. Chain 1 and 8 single crochet into this ring. Insert your hook into this ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, and you have 2 loops in your hook, on your hook, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into this ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. This is the second single crochet. Okay, we will make 8 single crochet into this row, in 8 single crochet, and then slip stitch into the very first single crochet. Chain 1 for secure and cut off the yarn. Now we'll change the color. Insert your hook, for this row we will make the popcorn stitch using 5 triple crochet in 1 stitch. Work chain 4 as the first triple crochet and work 4 triple crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into this stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and 1 yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops for 3 times, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into this stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we have 3 triple crochet. Make 2 more times, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and open, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, now we will make the popcorn stitch. Drop the yarn and back to the very first triple crochet, or for this part, chain 4, insert your hook and tighten up the yarn, make 3 chains as a space, and work popcorn stitch into the next single crochet with make 5 triple crochet into the same stitch, pull through 2 loops, through 2 loops, and through 2 loops. Five triple crochet and drop out the loop, and back to the very first triple crochet, insert your hook, tighten up the yarn and work chain 3 as a space. Repeat this pattern until we have 8 petals. Okay, now I have 8 petals in here, so for finishing the second row, slip stitch into the very first chain, so your hook, and work chain 1 for secure this row, and for row 3 and 4 change the color and work into the chain space in this part. Insert the yarn, begin with work chain 4 as the first triple crochet, and work 2 triple crochet into the same space. Yarn over 2 times, insert your hook to this space, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Make 1 more times, and then work 3 triple crochet into the next space. Yarn over 1 times, insert your hook into this space. Don't forget to hold the tail. Pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet and work double crochet for 2 more times. Pull through 2 loops, 2 loops, yarn over 1 times, insert your hook into this space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we make the corner of this space 3 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 as the space, and 3 double crochet again in to same space. 1 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, and this 3 triple crochet. Okay, this is the corner pattern. 3 triple crochet, chain 2 and 3 triple crochet into the same space. Next, work 3 double crochet into this space, yarn over, insert your hook into this space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2 and 3 double crochet in here. Next, we work the corner into this space like this. 3 triple crochet, chain 2 and 3 triple crochet into the same space. Repeat this pattern like this. Corner, 3 double crochet, corner and 3 double crochet. Now we back to the very first space and add 3 triple crochet in this space for complete this corner. 1, 2 and 3. Then finishing this row using 1/2 double crochet into 4 chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain, yarn over and pull through all of the loops on your hook. Work chain 3 as the first double crochet and work 2 double crochet into the same space. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So for this part we have 3 double crochet, 3 chains as first double crochet and 2 double crochet. And now we work into the space, work chain, work 3 double crochet in this space, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet into the same space, and work 3 double crochet for 1 times again into this space, 1, 2 and 3. For this corner we will work 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the same space, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. So let's repeat this pattern across the row. 2, 3 double crochet in one space for 2 times and make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet into the corner space. Okay, back to the very first corner, add 3 double crochet and chain 2 for complete this corner. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, then slip stitch into the second double crochet, not third chain but into double crochet in here, slip stitch and chain 1 for secure, cut up the yarn, and for the last, trimming this the tail, you can using the crochet hook or needle. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay happy and healthy. Bye bye. See you in the next video.